Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel, and I'm doing a knit crate yarn giveaway. If you'd like to sign up under me, all links are down below, and you can use the promo code Jewel20 and get 20% off your first month. They have different types of yarn you can pick for the monthly subscription. A nice one they have is the $14.99. You get one skein of yarn and you get to pick what type of yarn. Also, my blog, if you like to go there, it's amyscrochetpatterns.com. You can go to any category, click on it, and all of my patterns, most of all of them are all free. Click right on the photo, it will take you right to the pattern. And if you'd like to participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe and make sure you comment down below so I can pick somebody with the random comment picker. So here is a cozy for a phone. Also, I have my Etsy store with crochet PDFs, just a few of those that I made, and some vintage PDFs for crocheting. And then I have some digital thank you cards and gift tags for school, work, your boss, coworkers, if you'd like to take a look at those. And for the knit crate yarn, they give me a postcard, and you will get this in your giveaway. You can scan that and have free patterns. And then this is the yarn. It is like a really nice, soft orange type of yarn, kind of like a coral. So it's clay pot, it's wool, 100 grams, and 7 hook, DK weight. Really nice yarn. You'll get both of these in the giveaway. Just comment down below something you're working on for crocheting, and then come back in a couple of days to see if you're the winner, and then I'll send this out to you. You just need to give me your address, and make sure you are a subscriber. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed this nice giveaway, and if you'd like to participate, make sure to comment down below. Thank you everybody for watching, and please subscribe.